Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com and welcome to my Canva course. So first thing is why you need to learn Canva. If you want to create some cool graphics for either you want to create some logos, social media posts, infographics, etc., you need to learn about Canva. If you want to create stunning presentations for your business or for office, then you need to know about Canva. If you want to build print-on-demand products, let's say you want to sell t-shirts or customized mugs or pillowcases, etc., or phone covers, then you definitely need to know Canva. If you want to create social media posts or you want to create hundreds of social media posts under 5 minutes, then you definitely need to know about Canva. If you want to create professional looking websites and start a business of creating websites for other businesses, then you definitely need to know about Canva. How you can make money with Canva. So there are different ways you can make money through Canva. And first option is if you want to start a freelancing business where you build either logos, brand kits, websites, etc. for other businesses and sell on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can also make money by creating print-on-demand products and selling them on platforms like Redbubble and Etsy. You can also make money if you are a social media influencer and you're looking for ideas to create social media posts and uploading them on your social media, then you definitely need to know about Canva. You can make money by selling Canva templates. You can also make money by creating ebooks and selling them on platforms like Amazon KDP. So you can make a lot of money by knowing how to design things in Canva. What are we going to cover in this course? So the first thing we're going to see is creating print-on-demand products like customized t-shirts, mugs, pillow covers, etc. We will also learn about video creation and video editing in Canva. We will see how to add some cool effects to your videos. We will also learn about creating social media posts through Canva and creating bulk social media posts. We will also learn about logo creation and how to create some cool looking logos through Canva. We will also learn about ebooks creation in Canva. We will talk about website design also. We'll create some stunning looking websites through Canva, and this is one of the services you can sell on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. We will also learn about creating presentations in Canva. Who this course is for. This course is for everybody. If you want to take your designing skills to the next level, then you definitely need this course. If you are a freelancer and you're looking to design logos, websites, etc. for other businesses, then you definitely need this course. If you are a small business owner who is looking to build customized products or print-on-demand products, or if you're looking to create social media posts for your social media pages, then you definitely need to know about Canva and you need this course. If you want to create digital products, then you definitely need this course. So this course is for everybody who wants to take their design skills to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click this enroll button and join the course, and I'm going to see you inside the course. Thank you.